This is a walkthrough of the gap analysis template in Coda. First off, what is a gap analysis? It's generally a exercise that you do with your team to figure out how to take your business to the next level. So the key part of the exercise is to figure out what the current state is of your business, what your desired future state is for your business, and then trying to figure out what the gaps are between your current and your desired state, and figure out an action plan to get to your desired state for your business or for your project. So if we go into the template here, there's some dummy data here. You can just click on this clear dummy data button if you want to get rid of all the dummy data, but I'm just going to click on add items to add a new project or item here. And let's say I want to generate $100 million in revenue. Big lofty goal. And you'll see that in step 2, it shows up as a project over here. I'm going to click on that project. My current state is, let's say we are only making $100 right now. Sad face. Our future state is we want to increase to $100 million. Now, why is there a gap? Well, we are not selling enough widgets. We just need to sell a crap ton more widgets in order to get from our $100 to $100 million. So we have our gap analysis, and now we can prioritize the action items for each individual project and also set the priority as well. So I'm going to say that this generate revenue is a pretty high priority for us because we want to stay in business. So what are some action items here? Well, hire more salespeople. We're going to say I'm responsible for that. This is due December 3rd. Another action item might be increase sales price. I'll also be the person responsible. This will be due on the 4th. And I click on action plan detail, and I can see a summary of all my action items or projects sorted by priority, and then also all the different action items associated with that given project. Right now, there's nothing in the medium bucket. And that's what a gap analysis is and how you can do this simple analysis with your team in this Coda template.